So I just got an order from Belcopia about regarding a Niner bike, which is a gravel bike. Right? They don't drop ship the bike because it needs to be expertly assembled, right? And Niner only ships it out in pieces. So my job right now is to look for a local bike shop who's willing to work with me, take my bike over there, assemble it, and then package it pretty and nice, so then I could repack, so I could like just basically put it in a new box, right? Because it comes in a Niner box, but I'm gonna have it put in another box that doesn't have Niner branded on it, have Belcopia on it, and then I'm gonna reship that over to the customer. So I just went to a bike shop before, and you know, it looked good. The bike shop looked good. The guy didn't look as promising, right? I was just casually talking to him, you know, but I don't want to like just bite on the first bait that I see. So I'm like just driving around looking for another bike shop who's willing to do that service for me, maybe on a cheaper price, or maybe like that looks a little bit more promising. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated, man. This is the quite interesting challenge. All right, so I just finished talking to another bike store, and basically it's done, right? I'm in good hands. This Mr. C Cycle has been around for forever, right? It's been a long, I'm 27 and it's been here longer than I have been. So it's a good brand. I trust them. And I told them all my needs. I told them I'm gonna have a bike that's gonna be shipping over to you guys. I want you guys to help me assemble it, repackage, and then help me ship it out. No problem. Have everything all figured out. So yeah, it's a victory so far, and it's good. I'm gonna go get something to eat. You know, it's weird how things go in full circles in life. So I've had this keychain for as long as I can remember, right? And it's from Mr. C Cycle, and I carry this keychain with me every single day, right? It's because it's durable. I had no reason to not use it. And today I just went back over there, and Carlos, the owner, gave me 3 more of these, and I'm like, wow. Who knew, man? Like, this energy has been with me for so long, and now I'm working with them. It's really interesting, man. All right.
And you can roll it out.
And I'm good. All right, thank you.
I could show you what that box might look like, as long as we can fit your bike in as tight and as less as possible.
Okay. Can I see today? Or?
Yeah, well, I can show you the box.
Yes.
Show you a single box.
Also, let me just lock my car.
Might be something like this one here. Might be similar like one like this one here.
Similar one.
Or, yeah, because it comes
Yeah.
when you put the bike together.
Yep.
It would look like this. You see how this one comes?
Oh yeah.
So it's more put together for you. When we do that, I'm gonna put the wheel, we're gonna tune the wheel or whatever, and have that whole section here will be good. So all you'd have to do is probably put the handlebar and the front wheel on.
Yeah, that sounds good.
That's how we're gonna do it that way. We could put it together as close as possible, where the guy just, and the pedals, you have to put the pedals. Anything is missing, we'll call you and let you know, because we have to bring it together. We don't know.
Okay. Dropped off the bike, the Niner bike, at Mr. C's, gave me a little invoice, and I'm probably gonna pick it up by tomorrow. I went to Bicycle Habitat before, and they told me that it was gonna take a whole week to get it turnover. So I just went back to Mr. C's and like see what we could do. I think the price is gonna be a little cheaper, and it's gonna have a quicker turnover rate. So of course, right, no brainer. I'm gonna just stick with Mr. C's. All right, today's the day we pick it up. Let's see. Yep. Hey, Victor. I'm here to pick up the repackaged bicycle.
Yeah, I called you, but I'll put it
Oh, thank you so much.
I did it. I shipped it out. All right. I got insurance and everything. Dude, that was way more that was way more than what I expected. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be like $200 maximum. The ground shipping alone was already like $360, and then added insurance and then like repackaging and then blah blah blah. Add together, it was almost $500. So you know what? Overall, it still comes out profitable. But man, that was a long process. But you know, it was fun. It was fun, and I guess we'll look forward to the next one now. So yeah, man. Thanks for watching, and next one I'll probably show you guys how I do it again.